Title: Python Basics, a beginner's guide to getting started. Introduction. Welcome to our Python tutorial for beginners. Python is a powerful and versatile programming language used in a wide range of applications, from web development to data science and artificial intelligence. In this tutorial, we'll cover the basics of Python programming, from setting up your environment to writing your first Python script. Installing Python. Visit the official Python website python.org and download the latest version of Python for your operating system Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install Python on your computer. After installation, open a terminal or command prompt and type Python version to verify that Python is installed correctly. Getting started with idle. Idle is Python's integrated development and learning environment, which comes bundled with the Python installation. Open idle from your application's menu or by typing idle in the terminal command prompt. You'll be greeted with the Python shell, where you can type Python code and see the results immediately. Writing your first Python script, click on File, New File to open a new script window. Type the following code: print hello world. Save the file with a .py extension, for example, hello.py, in a location of your choice. To run the script, click on Run Run module or press F5. You should see hello world printed in the shell. Understanding variables and data types. In Python, variables are used to store data. You don't need to declare the type of a variable explicitly. Common data types include integers, floats, strings, booleans, lists, tuples, and dictionaries. Example: hash variable assignment, age equals 25, name equals John. Is underscore student equals true? Hash printing variables. Print name, name. Print age, age. Print is student, is underscore student. Control flow and loops. Python supports various control flow statements like if, elif, else, for, and while loops. Example: hash if statement, if age greater than equals 18. Print you are an adult, else. Print you are a minor, hash. For loop, for I in range 5, print I, hash. While loop, num equals 0, while num less than 5. Print num plus equals 1. Conclusion: congratulations! You've completed your first steps into the world of Python programming. This tutorial covered the basics of setting up Python, writing your first script, understanding variables and data types, and using control flow and loops. Keep practicing and exploring, and you'll soon become proficient in Python programming. Feel free to explore more advanced topics like functions, modules, and object-oriented programming as you continue your Python journey. Happy coding!